of the new generation. Performing their latest single, Amin Amin, let's give a warm welcome to Meeting, Axis, LA, Ruka, Dexter, and Hunter, Six Sense!
Oh my God, Six Sense.
po muna namin magpasalamat sa K-pop 112 for inviting us here and let us promote original Filipino music. Maraming salamat po sa K-pop community for giving us a stage to somehow promote our own music as well. Kaya maraming salamat po. Kaya mapakilala po muna kami. 1 to 6. Always one. Hello, we are Sixers. Hi, my name is Axie. Hello, everyone. My name is Ruka. Hello, I'm Kaiser. Hi, I'm LA. Hello, everyone. My name is Hunter. K-pop 112. Hello po, I'm Luigi. Yun. So, the song I just heard is our comeback single and it's called Amin Amin. Pwede niyo po siyang i-stream sa lahat ng digital music streaming platform. And also you can stream our YouTube music video as well. Ayan, streaming po yan. And ipopromote po namin ang aming social media.
And of course, and you can follow us on our social media accounts, sa X, sa Facebook, sa YouTube, and of course we have a website, which is www.sixsenseofficial.com. So you can follow us there. Doon po kami mag-update ng mga events po namin para masundan niyo po yung aming journey sa P-pop industry.
Again, maraming salamat po. May sabihin ka ba? Brooks, may sabihin ka ba? Thank you so much po! Ako meron! Before matapos ng taon, umami na kayo. Diba? Yun o. Maraming salamat po sa lahat po ng fandom na nandito na nag-gather. Maraming salamat po. Muli, kami ang Sixers! Thank you po!
Enjoy the rest of the